Hey everyone, and welcome to the Do's and Don'ts Challenge. To be more specific, that would be the 3 Do's and 3 Don'ts Challenge. And today I'm challenging Olga Soby, and she has challenged me. I will put her video link below in my video description box, as well as Douna and Villegas, EST Jeszeck, and I'm going to add in Pieces of Tara as well, because we are all doing the do's and don'ts just at a little bit different time. So I'll be sure to link their times in there also so that you can enjoy their videos. Olga Soby has challenged me, and my 3 do's and don'ts are as follows. Do a diptych, do use a chain or string, and do use the color yellow. Okay, I'm not crazy about the color yellow in paintings for myself. I just haven't worked with them enough, but I certainly haven't used a chain or a string. So this is going to be a major challenge for me. And then she also gave me a don't, and that is don't use the color red. I love using red. And don't make it symmetrical. And then also do not do any swiping. So she's definitely challenged me. I think the hardest part of all of this is going to be using the chain or string. And I've decided that if I don't get my consistencies down correctly, and because I definitely practiced, I've decided I was going to go unconventional. So I do hope you guys enjoy this video and follow over to Olga Soby's channel, Douna, Villegas, and then later on today would be EST Jeszeck and Pieces of Tara. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you love what I've created. Let's get down to the video and watch what I create. Bye. Okay guys, so here we are. We're down on the canvas. We have 2 16 by 20 inch canvases. They are the regular 0.75 thickness. They're not deep edge. And we are going to do our chain pull. Previously, you've heard my do's and don'ts from Olga, and hopefully this works out. I've never done one before, but I'm going to go a little unconventional. And I am going to use an actual chain. So I have 6 feet of chain here. I probably don't need 6 feet of chain. I was planning on going larger, so that's why I got 6 feet of chain. So we'll see how this goes. And I have 2 of these just in case I need to change things up a little bit. So we are going to put that right there for now. And we are going to coat our canvases. And I have ivory black, and I mixed in some, I think it's Prussian blue. So it's a little deeper, and we will see how this is going to go. My yellow I'm going to be using is Naples yellow. I'm also using a white. I have Golden's Fluid Iridescent Gold Fine, and I've also added some PBO Iridescent Gold in there. This is Color Shift Aqua, I believe it is. Let me see here. Yep, Aqua Flash. And my paints are all fairly thin, but I've kept my colors a little bit thicker than the base coat. And then I also have some Fluorescent Violet by Blick Acrylic. It's already existing in this little squeeze bottle, and I'm out of squeeze bottles, so I couldn't put the other ones in there. And then this color is PBO's Iridescent Blue Black, which I love. I'm not sure if it's going to show up, but I figured maybe just another color to add to it. And I have big cups. So we're going to coat the canvases. I'm so nervous right now. So I'm going to start and I want to make sure I have enough paint. Like I said, I've never done this. Really, if I don't like it, I will scrape it. And we'll start again. Let's go with this. That's like a hot mess over there. I sort of like these colors together though. All right. Okay, now I think we need to put some more paint on here because why not? Lord help me. All right. This is a lot trickier than it looks. Now she said I couldn't swipe, but she didn't say I couldn't tilt. So let's see if I can get some of this down here. this one off this edge here. Not crazy about all the gold right here, so let me get a sec. It's almost like it's too much. All right, I think I'm going to leave this. I really, really love what's happening on here. I'm gonna bring you guys in just a moment. And we're gonna go from there. All right, guys, here we are. This piece is so cool. I am so super, super happy with it. And it's not like, I don't think any other chain pull is, I used a larger chain obviously, but man, I love the white. It makes it look like it's all glowing. And then this piece, and I actually really love the wide lines on it. So trippy. Something different, a little less conventional. So I'm okay doing that. I like doing things a little bit outside of the box at times. And this was a crazy, crazy challenge for me. Olga definitely got me on this. But I hope she likes the outcome. It's very different for me. And I think I'm going to resin them depending on how they dry. So stay tuned for the dried results. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out Olga and Mina and Rinska's do's and don'ts.